Hi, I'm Patrick, and I'm a sculptor. I recently made this Santa Claus, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to talk about how to sculpt a beard. So, we're going to take a moment to make the foundation, and I'll be back to explain exactly how I made this Santa beard. Enjoy! So as with everything in sculpting, we want to start with basic shapes. So I begin by lining in where I want the beard to meet the rest of the face. These lines are rough to start with, but are helpful to shape everything else. Because I know he's got a big collar, I need to build that before I do the beard. Now it's time to build the rest of the shape by lining in the sides, lining the bottom in a shape that I'd like for the beard, and then filling in the middle gap where appropriate. At this point, we just have a very basic shape of a beard. You want to make sure you're happy with this shape before you add any details. To add details, we're going to start making large worms of clay and place them along the beard. These come in a variety of shapes, can overlap and do all sorts of things, and they're very rough. Ultimately, you want to create a shape that you will be able to work with to add detail. Adding detail is as simple as taking a straight tool and beginning to draw in small lines. You can also use this tool to flatten in various shapes and to make the ridges of the hair that you've created more complex. And so you're going to take your rough worms and you're going to work alongside them, use the shapes that are naturally forming through your worms, raise parts higher and lower, and blend them in to make them look a little bit more natural. This can still be a little bit rough because we're going to come back through and smooth this out with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. This will get rid of some of the rough edges and blend everything together in a really nice way. And then we can come back and draw in much more detailed lines according to the shapes that we like. Here we're using a much straighter edge of the tool, whereas before we might have been using the flat edge, now we're using the hard, thin edge. And work your way around slowly but surely, trying to make deeper lines and cleaner lines than you did the first time. And then you've got the basic shape of your beard done. I'm going to need to add a hat. Once that hat is on, we'll come back and add a mustache using a very similar process. Let's check that out now.
And now for the final reveal.